Hi there, if you have built a RAG pipeline using LangChain, you have probably hit the exact wall. The retrieval is correct, LLM is smart, but the answers are still garbage. Today in this video, I am going to show you why this happens and how to fix it. Here's what we are covering today: fast pace, no fluff. The problem isn't your vector store, it's not your LLM, it's retrieval contract. Three things break it: chunk boundary, similarity versus relevance, and context noise. Let me show you see the knife version first. This is what every tutorial on YouTube shows. First embed the docs and then retrieve top n, and then after that stuff it to the LLM and just that. This is good for the POCs and demos but not for the production system. Okay, so let's run it against some queries. This is the easy, and then we will progress our queries. So let's run it and see what happens. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, so for the easy queries, it successfully ran and provided some answer, but for the hard queries it didn't answer. Now let me show you the fix. In this production rack there are three changes: larger chunk size, instead of 200 it is 1500 characters; more candidates, instead of 4 we have 20 candidates; and the last one is we added a re-ranker that score all of these 20 candidates based on true relevance, not embedding proximity. Let me show you how re-ranking actually works, so it would be easier to understand why we added it. Okay, so let's say we retrieve some end documents, or let's say we retrieve 20 candidates or different 20 different results. Now these results are the one that are nearest in embedding graph, but maybe they are right or not. So now they will now go towards our cross encoder, where they will be compared against the query based on the relevance, not the embedding proximity. So this is what re-ranking is, and it will rank each chunk based on the relevance score, and based on this we get the most relevant on the top, and then it goes on. Now let's run the same queries against the production pipeline. Nothing is changed, just these three changes. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, so now as you can see our prod track output, and you can see that for the hard question it answers and answered it in a very well manner as compared towards to the knife version. And you can also see for other as well as the easy questions it answers them correctly, but for the hard ones it answered and also in a very deep manner. Here's the full comparison: same LLM, same retrieval, just the difference in retrieval contract, and as you can see the difference. Before deploying towards the production, please keep in mind these things. Like re-rankers add latency, only add if you really need it, and also have a local cross encoders, because although it is a rare scenario but sometimes it can happen. And also the chunk strategy that we used here may not fit in all sort of documents. It basically depends upon your type. And this is all for the video. You now have the pattern. The code will be on GitHub, and let's see next week.